You might be familiar with AWE's high-quality exhaust systems for the Focus ST, Focus RS, and Raptor. Well, now that high-quality performance is available for your V8 Mustang as well. Today we're going to install AWE's track axle back on this 2011 GT500. This is AWE's Track Edition axle back, and this is going to fit your 2011 through 2014 GT, your 2012 through 2013 Boss 302, and your 2011 through 2012 GT500. Now, the Track Edition is designed to be loud, so this is going to be a muffler delete, and it's made right here in the USA of 304 stainless steel. Now, this will be a bolt-on installation with your choice of two different tips. They're both going to be double wall 4.5-inch tips, and your choice of the chrome finish or the diamond black. AWE puts a lot of effort into building some of the most beautiful exhaust tips available for your Mustang. And again, this system comes two different ways. You can order it with the chrome tip shown here, or you can order it with the diamond black finish. Now, the diamond black actually has like a titanium pearlescent on the inside of it and is beautiful in person. Now, these tips are so beautiful, they actually come in their own padded box along with AWE's signature blow pop. For this installation with a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, 13mm socket, and a 15mm socket. Once you have the carb in the air, we'll begin the installation by removing this bolt here. We're actually loosening this bolt here to loosen up this clamp. The reason we're going to do this is to get the muffler off, you have to actually push it sideways, and then it's going to go forward. So once we loosen this, we're actually going to remove the mid pipe next, so we have room for the muffler to move. All right, moving further forward now, we're going to disconnect up here from the H pipe to the mid pipe. You can get the muffler off without doing this, but this is a lot easier. Push the muffler towards the outside to get it off the rear clamp. You can usually do this by hand. And slide it forward to remove. Now, like the factory pipe that slides back to remove, this one you're going to slide forward, put it on the factory hangers. It's a little tight up in here. Okay, the AWE axle back in place, we can reinstall the factory mid pipe. Okay, we can tighten back up the mid pipe connection. All right, now get these two pipes seated properly. Clamp in place and tighten it down. Now put the clamp on the tip. Get that tip where you want it and go straight. Or you can actually do an angle like that too if you want to match the balance. We're going to go straight. Then tighten it down. Okay, repeat the process on the other side and your installation's finished. Okay, our AWE Track Edition system looks great, fit real well. The important part, let's hear how it sounds. Nice tone at idle. Definitely what you expected, like a muffled release kind of sound. It's loud, it's raspy, it crackles. Really sounds good, especially with stock mid pipes and stock cats. If you're looking for a simple way to really give some more attitude to your Boss 302, GT500, or GT, the Track Edition from AW is a great way to do it. The system is loud, it's got a nice aggressive crackly tone to it, and it's a simple axle back installation. Now if you're doing a catless setup or long tubes, it might be a bit over the top, but if you're just looking for a great sounding axle back, it's an excellent choice. As far as the install goes, pretty straightforward for an axle back. Figure about an hour to an hour and a half, and be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.